Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Brightness shortcut and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing the same shortcut again. If you wish to, you can always go into devices settings, scroll down just a bit and access display. After that, click on brightness level and tap on this switcher next to automatic brightness to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!